Who is an economist? Is it one who masters the concepts of resources, supply demand, or purchasing power, or one who runs the world's markets? Where does an economist start? Perhaps a school that covers all descriptions and goes beyond all definitions. A school with a powerful legacy and an excellent faculty, supported by an innovative curriculum and over 100 national and international collaborations. A school for those eager to transform. Behind every theory, studying every detail, testing every hypothesis, researching every principle, and climbing every pinnacle is a budding economist. So, who is an economist? Equipped to excel at school,